Welcome viewers to your channel. Today, AI is no longer something from science fiction, it's real and making a big difference in how we live, work, and even have fun. AI is a technology that allows machines to learn, think, and solve problems just like humans. But it can do these tasks much faster and sometimes more accurately. I am Pranab Prehaj from Pranab Digital Gurukul. We will discuss how artificial intelligence, or AI, is helping us in our everyday lives. What is artificial intelligence? AI means teaching computers to do things that usually need human intelligence, like understanding speech, recognizing faces, or playing games. Some examples of AI we use every day, such as voice assistants like Alexa and Siri. Recommendation systems on Netflix or YouTube. Maps and navigation apps like Google Maps. AI in everyday life. In smartphones. AI makes your smartphone smarter. For example, the camera uses AI to adjust lighting and focus automatically. AI also powers virtual assistants and even predictive text when you type a message. In online shopping. Ever noticed how websites like Amazon suggest products you might like? That's AI at work, analyzing what you've looked at before and helping you find what you need. In entertainment. AI helps platforms like Netflix and Spotify recommend movies, shows, and songs based on what you've watched or listened to before. In social media. AI decides what you see on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok by analyzing your behavior and showing content that matches your interests. AI in workplaces. Automation in offices. AI takes care of repetitive tasks, like organizing emails or scheduling meetings, so people can focus on creative work. Data analysis. Companies use AI to study big data and make better decisions, like understanding what customers want or predicting market trends. Customer service. AI chatbots answer questions and solve problems quickly, improving customer experiences. AI in other industries. Transportation. Self-driving cars like those from Tesla use AI to navigate roads safely. AI apps like Google Maps optimize routes, saving time and fuel. Agriculture. AI-powered tools help farmers monitor crops, predict weather, and increase yields. Manufacturing. Robots powered by AI perform tasks faster and more accurately than humans. Finance. Banks use AI to detect fraud and manage risks. Personal finance apps also use AI to help you budget better. AI in education. Personalized learning. AI helps students learn at their own pace by providing tailored lessons and practice exercises. Tutoring. AI-powered virtual tutors like Khan Academy or Duolingo make education accessible to more people. Automated grading. Teachers save time as AI grades tests and assignments automatically. AI in healthcare. Disease diagnosis. AI helps doctors detect diseases like cancer early by analyzing medical scans. Drug development. AI speeds up the process of finding new medicines by predicting which ones might work best. Virtual health assistants. AI chatbots give patients medical advice and help them manage their health at home. The challenges and limitations of AI. Challenges. AI isn't perfect. It sometimes makes mistakes or reinforces biases in data. There are also concerns about jobs being replaced by AI. Solutions. AI should work alongside humans, not replace them. Education and training can help people learn new skills to adapt to AI-driven jobs. Conclusion. From helping us in our daily lives to making industries more efficient, AI is a powerful tool. However, we need to use it responsibly. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments how AI has impacted your life.